Hello everybody. So in this video I wanted to talk about the kind of materials that I typically use in oblique finger weaving. And most of the videos that I'll be doing with this worsted weight. This is acrylic. It was just cheap and it's easy to be able to see the threads if I do the alternating colors this way. So for the videos you'll see this, but typically when you get down to this, and if you want to start with the worsted for practice, it's great because you can really figure out which threads you're working with. But then eventually I want you to graduate to the fingering weight, and this is 100% wool, and it's very small, and typically oblique weaving was done with one color. So when you're practicing, you know, when you first start, you're probably going to want to get a lot of practice in on something thicker, something brighter, but then eventually you'll get down to this. It's a 2-ply wool fingering weight yarn, and then I use size 10 check glass trade beads. You can use 11s. They're a little bit harder to get on, but they look just a little bit snugger. But typically you're going to want to be working with this one color of wool, and then the patterns you do in oblique weaving will be done with the beads like so, which I'll have a different video on how to string them up into your weaving as we go on. I just wanted to show you the difference of materials, and again, I'll be teaching with this, but I want you to graduate down to this.